could be the cash, I be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you could be the news. Cause you're a cigarette.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's wig is provided by Sunbeam. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a curly closure wig for you guys today. If you follow me, you guys know that I love curly hair. So I'm collaborating with Supernova Hair. I'm going to be using their 22-inch curly wig. So when you open the packaging, this is what came in the box. It came with this colorful headband, well, head tie, a wig cap, and I love that it's this brown wig cap. If you know me, you clearly see that I love this brown wig cap. It came with lashes, an adjustable band that you can sew into your wig, and a bag. I love these bags just because I don't really like the plastic bags and stuff. So this is the head wrap that it came with. I actually like this. This is cute. All right, let me install my wig and then I'll see what's going on with it. So this is the wig. I already bleached the knots and I plucked this wig. So this is how the curls are looking and this is how the inside of the wig look. I already bleached it and I plucked it. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and spray Taylor Crown lace tint 2 times in the lace, and then I'm gonna blow dry it on cool, and then I'm gonna install it. Okay, and this is how it looks after I'm done drying it. I'm gonna just put it on my head. And I wanna wear this glueless. As you can see, I already parted, so I don't have to part it or anything. I'm gonna just focus on doing the baby hairs because I'm doing this wig glueless. A little bit. I'm gonna cut off this little area right here. Just a little bit right here. And for my lace, I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation and I'm gonna take this side, the darker side. I'm gonna pat this foundation in here. I would go back in with the lace tint, but my hair is straight and I don't want to turn it back. Then I'm gonna go in with my tweezers and just thin out the edges. And cut this down short. And this is how it's looking. I do want to like spray it a little bit. Ooh. And I normally go in with my Erica J styling foam, but I'm gonna go in with the Afro G style and wrap mousse. Just shake it real good. I'm gonna take a whole bunch and put it in my hand. And then I'm gonna lay it down at the front where I wanna swoop and sculpt. Then I'm gonna just take the edges brush and sculpt the edges. So I'm gonna take my head wrap, my Chop It Touches head wrap. You can order yours today. I will have the links down below. And I'm just going to tie down my edges. The first 3 minutes I'm gonna blow it on hot air, and then the last 2 minutes I'm gonna blow it on cool air. Okay guys, I'm just gonna take the head wrap off so we can see. This is how it's looking. So I could lift this up off of my head, but I'm not going to just because I don't feel like it. But that's how it's looking. I can go back in and touch it up with some of the Ruby Kisses foundation. And I also want to go in and fix this over bleach part. So I'm going to show you guys that as well. Okay, so all I'm going to do is take this and just go in and put it in areas that the lace is a little light. To fix any part that is over bleached, I'm just gonna take this L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and I don't use this on my eye, by the way. I'm going to scrape it out in here. I show you guys this all the time, so. And then I'm just going to and that's how it's looking. And then I'm just going to take my concealer brush and go down the parts just so it doesn't look too light. Okay, and this is good enough for me. So that's how it's looking. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to visit Supernova Hair. I will have all the links down below so you guys can check them out. This is their 22-inch curly wig, by the way, and this is how it's looking. It's very full and thick. It is a 5x5 closure. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is how the baby hairs turned out, by the way, and I can lift this wig off of my head and put it back on perfectly fine, so I should show you guys. So I'm gonna take it all the way off, and I'm gonna put it back on. All you have to do is just lay your baby hairs, like just fix them, but that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna fix it. I'm gonna just spray some hairspray. So this is how it's looking when I put it back on, like super quick and easy. So if you're just on the go, because I know it's like a pandemic, and if you're going to work, you want it to be super quick and easy. I like this wig. This is super easy. This is gonna be my holiday wig just because it's so easy to put on and it looks so pretty. Yeah, this is gonna be my holiday wig, and it's so nice and full, so beautiful and gorgeous. And you could also put the hot comb through it up here, and that's gonna lay down the top even more like that, but I'm not gonna do that just because I'm lazy. This is how it's looking. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
That little bitch, she gon' fuck when I say so. I got all of my shooters on payroll. Broke with a body, I told him to lay low.